Here we are, we're at the Chart booth now for an extra special award. Gary, what do we got?
Well, in the spring of this year, Chart Industry was looking at our microbulk program, which started back in 1996. And our initial question was, how many units of the 840 some that have been built are still on the road today? And what we were lucky enough to find out is only one of those units is no longer on the road. So then the question became, who has the first one or the oldest one in existence? And as we went back in the records and we found that one of our best independent distributors was the trendsetter and had the market view that said that this was going to work. And not only did they buy the first one, but they also bought the third unit that we ever built. And that was the first one was in 1996. And so I want to present SJ Smith with a little token of our appreciation, which is an award that shows that they had the very first unit that was ever built. We really appreciate their support on our entire microbulk program. And to this day, I think they now have 6 units, and we're talking about more. They really have been a tremendous support. So thank you, guys.
Okay, here to accept the award, we've got the 3 siblings here. Why don't you give us some comment, Rochelle?
Sure, thank you very much. Thank you, Gary. We appreciate the award very much. It was really the forethought of my father back in the mid-90s, late 90s. He decided he could move his own gas around his area, and so Chart was the solution to that. And like Gary mentioned, we've bought many more after that, plus a lot of other things. So we very much appreciate our partnership with Chart.
Okay, well, there you have it. Very special. Thank you guys for being here at GAWDA, and congratulations on the award.
Thank you.